Hello and welcome to Quick Anatomy Hub. We have seen the first week of development and formation of zygote and blastocyst in previous video. Here's the second week. As blastocyst is just not a cluster of cells, it is a complex entity with two main parts, the protective outer layer as trophoblast and the precious inner layer known as the embryoblast. Right upon partial implantation, the trophoblast differentiates into two more layers, the cytotrophoblast and the syncytiotrophoblast. As you can see here, the cuboidal yellow color cell is the cytotrophoblast and the red color cells or in pink color they are syncytiotrophoblast. Cytotrophoblast contains some mitotic figures that tirelessly multiply more and more to support the developing embryo. As these cells proliferate, they push outward gradually, transforming into a dynamic outer layer known as the syncytiotrophoblast. The syncytio means fused, indicating many cells fused together to create one multinucleated structure. As you can see here, the syncytiotrophoblast, there are no cellular margins or cell membranes but multiple nuclei in a one structure creating the syncytiotrophoblast. Now, shifting our focus to the blastocyst core, we discover a new process of differentiation. The embryoblast, which divides into epiblast, a columnar cell layer, and the hypoblast, a cuboidal cell layer. Together, they form a flat, disc shaped structure known as the bilaminar disc. As development continues, each of these layers grows, the epiblast forming a cavity between its layers, known as the amniotic cavity, which provides hydration and nutrition to the developing embryo. Cells of the epiblast lining the amniotic cavity are known as amnioblasts, which are columnar in shape. As the name suggests, they secrete amnion, which is fluid-like in nature. The hypoblast cells are cuboidal in shape. On the ninth day of development, the blastocyst is more embedded into the endometrium. As invasion completes, it's time to divide. The syncytiotrophoblast cells will invade further into endometrium, secreting proteolytic enzymes and beta HCG or human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. The cuboidal cells of hypoblast start dividing along the inner lining of cytotrophoblast to form the exocoelomic membrane or Husser's membrane. These cells line the exocoelomic cavity or the primitive yolk sac. Now we have discussed the early development during the second week. For further stages, we will discuss it in next video. If you have any question, you can comment below. Thank you.